Question number 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. See here in this question, let any positive integer be a I have taken and b equal to 3. Here in the question it is given to you, you have to prove 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Here in this case, you can take b equal to 9 also, you will get the same proof only. Here I am assuming b equal to 3. Why? To reduce the difficulty level of this question, I have taken b equal to 3 because cube of any positive integer. So 3 power 3 it will give you 27. From 27 we can take out 9. That's why I have taken b equal to 3. Within 3 steps we can conclude this 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. So let's start. By Euclid division lemma, you know that Euclid division lemma, that is a equal to b cube plus r is greater than or equal to 0 but lesser than b. In the place of b I am going to keep 3. So a equal to 3 cube plus r and r condition is greater than or equal to 0 but lesser than 3. So the r condition will be 0, 1 and 2. I am going to keep if r equal to 0 in equation number 1. Yes, you will get a equal to 3 cube plus 0. I want to prove that what? Show that cube of any positive integer. So I have to do it what? Cube. Cube on both sides. Yes, cube it. A cube which is equal to 3 cube, the whole cube. It will give you 3 power 3 is what? 27. Cube power 3 is what? Cube power 3. From this, I can take it out 9. I can take it out 9. Why? Because my proof is what? 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. That's why I can take it out 9 from this 27. So you will get 3 cube will be inside the bracket. So whatever inside the bracket, I am going to assume it as m. So 9m you will get for a cube. So I did it here where m equal to 3q cube. Yes. Go to the second step. If r equal to 1 in equation number 1, then a equal to 3 cube plus 1. Cube on both the sides. Both sides, a cube which is equal to 3 cube plus 1 the whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b the whole cube. That is what, do you know the identity? A plus b the whole cube which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Right here. A plus b the whole cube. That is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. I am going to use this identity here, that is 3 cube power 3, it will give you 27 cube power 3, 1 cube that is 1 only, plus 3, a value is 3 cube I have taken, b value is what? 1, and inside the bracket a plus b, that is 3 cube plus 1. So 27 cube plus 1 plus 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 1 is what? 9, q as it is. Then inside the bracket 3q plus 1 is there. So 27 cube plus 1 plus 9 into 3, that is 27. Q into q square. 9q into 1, that is 9q. See here what form I need? 9m or 9m plus 1. 9m I already proved, here 9m plus 1 we are going to prove. See here plus 1 pattern is there, so plus 1 as it is keep. From the remaining numbers, you can take it out 9. So take it out 9. What will be remaining here? 27. If you have taken 9 out, what will be there? 3q cube. Here also 3q square. Here what will be there? Q only left over there. So inside the bracket whatever is there, I am going to assume as m. So a cube which is equal to 9m plus 1, where m equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Okay. Then I am going to solve the third step. In that, I am going to take the r value is what? 2. If r equal to 2 in equation number 1, a equal to 3q plus 2. Cube on both sides. The same way only we are going to solve. This is very simple. Once you understand this one, you can do. So a cube, which is equal to 3q plus 2 the whole cube. Okay. You know the formula already. A plus b the whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So 3q whole to the power 3, that is 27q cube, plus 2 power 3, that is 8, plus 3ab into a plus b, that is 3q plus 2. Yes, 27q cube plus 8 plus 3 into 3 9, 9 into 2 18, q as this. This is 3q plus 2. 27q cube plus 8 plus 18q into 3q, that is 54q square. So 18q into 2, that is 36q. Yes. From this, I need the form 9m plus 8. So plus 8 already I have, so keep it as it is. From the remaining numbers, you can take it out 9. Take it out. Here 3q cube will be there, and here 6q square, and here this is 4q. Yes, whatever inside the bracket, that I am going to assume as m. So 9m plus 8, which is equal to a cube, where I have assumed m equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. Okay, at last you have to write the answer here. This is I have taken as equation number 2. This one I have taken as equation number 3. This one I have taken as equation number 4. From equation number 2, 3 and 4, we can tell that cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 for some integer m. This statement I have to write it as it is given in the question. Thank you.